guys, good morning. This is Reina and this is actually Kanzite. Okay, I bought this from Afghan supplier and then I was wondering what this piece is. Ayan, so try natin i-detect. Look at that. Okay, pumapatak talaga siya sa diamond. There you go, as you can see. Ayan, diamond talaga siya. And then the other side, try uli natin. There you go. See that? Diamond talaga siya. Okay. But binili ko to as Kanzite. Ayan. There. So, tignan natin kung mabubukas ko since for some reason nagka-crack siya. Okay. So, imumove ko muna to. Wait lang guys. Try natin kung makakrack. Kung hindi, pipilitin ko i-crack ng tool. Diba? Hindi matigas siya, no? Try natin. Baka mabukas natin. Okay, ito time-lapse ko na lang muna. Ayan, balik na tayo sa ano. Ito naman sapphire guys. So, i-zoom in natin. Okay, this is yellow sapphire. Yellow corundum, which is a yellow sapphire. And ito gagamitin ko. Itong part na to. Okay. Or ito na, itong buo. Okay, scratch natin dito. As you can see, ayan, there. Ayan guys, kita nyo? Yung sapphire na scratch. Itong ini-scratch natin. Bale, wala. So for sure, it is really harder than the sapphire. Okay, so kinis niya yung sapphire. Oh, this one, wala. Parang wala lang. Tignan natin kung mas magpapahilaw yun. Masyadong malinaw ata. Okay. And see? So what do you guys think? Ayan guys. So ito na yung oopsie. So ayan na yung cut. Pero ito, yan, iniisip ko kung tatanggalin ko ba itong Kanzite or I'll just leave it be. Or, pwede ko silang ilagay sa lalagyanan since naka-documented naman itong pag-alis natin ng this mysterious piece diamond ata. Okay, I'm not sure yet. But since Kanzite, nagpo-form ang Kanzite sa high temperature, which is the same as the diamond, so baka may chance. But searching online, wala akong nakitang proof na may nakitang diamond with kunzite. Okay, but since nga ang kunzite ay nagpo-form sa very high temperature or intense heat, ayan, hindi kaya nag-form din tong certain stone or crystal na diamond. Sorry, kagigising ko lang. So, ayan. So, what do you guys think? Ayan. Maybe tonight or one of these days, tatanggalin ko siya. Para siya lang talaga. Okay. So, ayan guys. Masyado malinaw. Okay. There you go. Ayan. Zoom in natin. Ayan. Napapalibutan siya ng bato din. As you can see. What do you guys think? Do I have a diamond, a big diamond on my hand? A milky white diamond? And please let me know. Salamat.